systems regenerating. I'm back, Walker, and feeling good.
Ranger Walker.
Hey, you look tough enough.
Heading there now.
Oh, whatever that false little greed about tells you, don't try the slime vocal chimichanga. Unless you want to puke your guts out in the thoroughfare.
Welcome to the Stanley Express Postal Service. Rebuilt and re-established.
Got a dash.
Welcome to the Stanley...
Gotta go.
Perfect timing to come back to Gun Barrel, Ranger. We're literally knee-deep in shit. And a ranger waltzes in after ignoring us for years. This day.
What are you talking about? Who are you?
I'm Zam Wilco, and I run the Gun Barrel Militia so Marshall don't have to. Listen, I'm not complaining if the high and mighty rangers want to get their hands dirty. I've an urgent situation up north. The Yeoman farm has been overrun by raiders. Bad, since they're a pretty big local food supplier. All my people are needed here in case the muties make another push. So can you help?
Well, since you asked so nicely, it's safe. I hope you weren't looking for arrests or something.
No, we don't arrest bandits. Well done, Vinelander. I'll see you around.
Riff-raff with guns. Finally, we might be in love. Greetings. I'm Rory Success, the famous trade baron. Come down all the way from Wellspring to recruit for a daring mission against the Goon Squad. Wait, you're not part of the Goon Squad, are you?
I'm definitely not part of the Goon Squad.
Do you like the Goon Squad? Of course not. They're a blight on the Earth. Recently, they had the nerve to take over Gascatraz, our gas refinery in the Southern Hills. They're using it to make nitro for their combat cars. Nitro should be mine.
I know it's suicidal to attack them there, but I'll pay you well to teach them a lesson. Nobody steals from Rory's success. What do you say?
I generally shoot Goon Squad for free.
Commendable, but terrible business.
I think you can see the smoke from here.
Well done. Applaud the nice Ranger, Patsy. Now to plan the rebuilding. So much to do. Excuse me.
Welcome to the Dud Primer Tavern, home of the slime vocal chimichanga and the best swamp swill in the wasteland. Check your troubles at the door and dance on in.
Hey, Cutter! Let's trade some words. You head in. Hey! Looking good. Looking real good there. Oh, you're new! This is the Dud Primer. Best watering hole in Gun Barrel. Big crowd, rowdy crowd. Marshall trusts me to keep said crowd in check. Name's Soul TV.
Don't worry, I'm not here to start any shit.
Good for your face. Now you do look like the action-loving kind. You should check out Mutant Bash Arena up north. What a show! What a great show!
Now I'm telling you, that's bad intel, Gulo.
Gimme just need a tiny gulp, Marsh.
No, you don't get true swill if you don't give true talk.
I speak the day's true, Marsh. Violence destroyed.
Yeah, right. Blown right to shit by mega bad tech mutants. I ain't biting, Gulo. You're just looking for a free fix of swill here.
Vineland is gone.
See? I was talking true.
Don't glug it all at once. Ranger, huh? Oh, I haven't seen a ranger here in a long time.
John Marshall, legendary resistance fighter, war hero. We grew up on stories about this guy. I gotta admit, I was expecting something more impressive.
Seems impossible. Vineland's defenses were impenetrable.
So we all thought. We weren't ready for them. We weren't ready for the authority.
They're back then. I'm guessing you'll hear about the Dagger Project. Problem is, we're under a whole different kind of siege here. Muties. They're clogging up our power turbine in the sewers. Now, if someone was to take care of that...
If that's what it takes to get Dagger online, show me what to kill and where.
You catch on fast. I sent down every rent-a-killer who walked in here, but they all end up dead.
It won't take long. Ah.